Yo, what's going on YouTube? And everybody else watching, we are live day trading in Discord right now. This is our first official live since we launched the Capo membership, or should I say mobstership, because we are now the damn good trading Mafia, and that is what we're going to keep doing. Is we're going to keep making kills in the market. We're going to carry out hits, precisely coordinated hits, and we are going to take money from the market via robbery. And if you're interested in becoming a capo, you just need to go to dgtmafia.com, press get started, choose whichever membership you want, and you simply click and you check out. But I already have a membership, so I do not get to show you the registration form. However, with the membership, you get a direct line to the Don, me, and live trading feeder, which we're live in Discord right now. And you get to send messages and occasionally come up and speak if you like to. Try to keep it generally quiet so we can focus and make proper trades without getting too distracted. You also get access to the family's inner circle. It's a private Discord community with private chats that only capos can get into. Then you have exclusive status and networking. You get a special color role in the Discord. I'll show it right here. You get to get this nice blue color. You get the little capo badge, and you also get this, yes, the little capo badge. Damn good trading. And you'll also get access to the course, which we are going to have a beginner's course for the membership along with masterminds every month. Mastermind classes. Classes should only be like an hour, maybe 2 hours, and it will be based on what's currently happening in the market. It's not going to be past things. It's not going to be stuff that used to work. It's what's currently working right now and that we're making money with. Those will be dropped once, maybe twice a month. And you also get Q&A in the live trading. You could ask me anything you want along with the other damn good traders. We've all gotten payouts. Me, myself, I've gotten over $80,000 in the past few months just from TopStep alone. Today, we're trading 6 combines, 3 TopStep, and 3 TakeProfit combines. I'm going to be copy trading them all on the same accounts, and we are going to slow roll to the XFAs, get the XFAs, get 5 days, $200 plus, and get a payout, just like we did a few weeks ago, which, it took, 7 days, and we got $16,000 in payouts. So that was pretty cool. We're going to do something similar to that. It might not be 16,000. It might be like 5,000, whatever it is, whatever the market gives us, we're going to take. And yes, if you want to follow along live trading, you need the Capo membership. I am not doing free live trading anymore just because it's too distracting for me, and it's kind of like a whole job, you know what I mean? If it's not making money, then it doesn't make sense. So yes, we are only doing live trading for capos in the Mafia, and we are all gonna be coming together as a family where we carry out proper executions with proper risk management, and we are going to be focused on the preservation of capital, and we are going to let our winners run just like we should and keep our losers small just like we should. We're going to be practicing that daily live right in my Discord. If you want to join the Discord, it's free. You get the main chat. Everything's free besides the live trading and the secret capo chat. You can join the Discord in the description below if you're on YouTube, or in my link on Instagram in my bio. And right now we're looking at this chart, and it's been bullish all day, so I'm wondering if this is just a pullback before a blast up. I mean, look at this. Are we just going to slowly grind down? Or is this the pullback before we rocket? We're going to patiently wait and see if it obeys our trend line. We could take a short on this trend line. That would not be a bad entry. But I'm feeling bullish. So I think we're just going to sit here and we're going to wait to see what happens. $15-minute candle. They're looking bullish too. Look at this. Tried to go up, couldn't go up. Tried to go down, couldn't go down. This candle couldn't go down. 2 minutes left. This doji's, then I think we might actually be bullish. But for confirmation, we're waiting for this trend line break. So let's wait and see. If it holds this trend line for a while, we might actually take shorts. But I'm feeling longs. I think this is just a pullback. We've been so bullish for the past few days. Just massive, massive runs all day. Could be a pullback day, but I think we might just continue. Just like in the other video, when we were right here, it's like it's either gonna be super bullish or super bearish. Tried to be super bearish, and then bulls came in and just pumped it insanely high. Jesus, that was 830. That's 300 points in one day, and then 100 to another 300-point run day. Are we gonna have another 300-point run day today? Who knows? Let's see. This 15-minute getting bullish. We're about to tap this trend line. We could enter shorts, but I'm bullish on the day, so I think we might be looking for longs above VWAP. I'd like to see it break this level right here. Trying to be bearish so hard, but I just can't do it. Another entry could be right here if we want to go long, but it held our trend very well, so we're gonna wait and see. We're trying to take only high probability trades at the moment, not like we were doing before, just going crazy and doing a shitload of trades that had not very good risk or success percentage. 14 right here is where I originally thought it was going to bounce, but it didn't even make it there, so we might look for the 14 sweep to go back up. It was very well, could be bearish. You start smoking a cigar while trading. Oh shit. I don't really like cigars that much, but it does look cool. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pump in the morning, dump, massive pump, dump, 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 dump. Tried to go higher there, couldn't do it. Dumped. These are the highs of the day. Possibly of the year, yeah. We're looking to come back today. Or are we going to keep running up? I am bullish, so I think we are going to keep running up. But let's see what the market tells us. Yes, still holding this level. 15-minute FVG at 876. NQ already broke through the main FVG, but stopped right at the end of the body. Are we going to be dumping off a cliff? I do not think so. If this trend line does not break, we will take shorts anyways, because predicting the market is something that is not wise. A wise guy would not do that. As long as it holds this trend, I guess we're technically bearish short term. $15-minute candles looking like they want to curl up. 10-minute close on this one though, so that's irrelevant right now. Sit here and patiently wait for a play to form. Five-minute looks bearish. Let's see if this engulfs. Testing the trend. Above VWAP would technically be bullish, but I think 538 would be the safe entry. The scalp to 559, which is the play we're potentially going to do. This would be a short entry right now if we did want to go short, but I think we are looking for longs. I think this is just a pullback right here. But it needs to break the downtrend to be confirmed. Looks like it's going to take about like 30 minutes to break though. Unless we just get a random giant pump. Another long entry would potentially be the sweep of 514. Depending on how it moves down there, this could be our long entry. Semi-high risk, but this is looking bullish on a bullish day. The third day of being crazy bullish. Third day or is it the second day? Let me see. No, this would just be the second day of being crazy bullish. We are going late contracts up to 3. So we're looking to potentially get big moves or just multiple scalps. Short scalp could be nice, but I think I'm pretty convinced that we're bullish. A giant Shrek is gonna come. There's the break of the downtrend potentially. Oh, Phoenix, what's that, dude? The only one in here today. One of the very few first capos. The first 10 capos are going to be getting a special roll. First capo. There will be a maximum of 10. This could be a short scalp right here for the sweep of 514, but not doing it. I'm bullish. And again, a 1 con short scalp, tight stop loss wouldn't be a bad idea. But no, we're looking at the bigger picture. We're not looking too short term. We are bullish on the bigger picture, especially since we're breaking this downtrend. Should see some consolidation here over the next 20 minutes and then blast up. Possibly after the sweep of 514. And why did I choose 514? Because it's a key level, right here. Or like right here. FVG on the 15-minute. Show you right now. 514. Boom. Top of the next bullish FVG. Look at this bullish trend break. Let's go. This would be an early entry right here, but we're looking for a late entry of 538. Probably pull back there, and then we'll jump in. First PT 559. Second PT is 567-ish. Bounced off VWAP. The 538 looks like a nice level. We break through it. Shorts are now invalidated. The big picture, I guess they're still valid, somewhat. But on bullish day, I wouldn't trust it. Only scalp short for the time being. What I'm curious is if we're going to bounce off this 38, come sweep 14, and then head up just to liquidate people, or if we're just going straight up. But we are looking to join this bull run. Just a matter of when. Timing is everything. And not being in a position is a position. Let's see. See this pullback. We'll be looking to get in potentially longs. Very curious if we're sweeping 514 though. Let's see how this holds. Would not be a bad short scalp right here for maybe 20 ticks. But we're not looking for a scalp. Giant Shrek dildo from the trendline break. We're looking to get in these longs. Is it gonna pull back? Yep, here comes the pullback. We're trading 6 accounts, so we got to make sure we don't enter on a super volatile candle because some of the accounts will be uneven. Look at that, it's holding so nicely. That might be all she wrote for the pullback. Let's see, there's the break of 38, boom. Let's see if it sweeps it, pulls back, and we'll be getting long. Ooh, top of the hour. Let's see some volatility here. Good thing we didn't take a position. We're gonna be looking to enter here soon. Longs. Is this our entry? I want to see it touch VWAP. Looking for the entry on the bounce of VWAP. Take 2 cons. I will just go 1 for now. Playing it extra safe. Shit, it might be all she wrote for the pullback. So bullish. I don't think that's all she wrote, though. I think we're going to get a bigger drop. But a fast one. That's the one I guess we're going to try getting 6 accounts on there. Next pivot point is going to be around 47. This is London session right now, by the way. We will be trading New York as well. Okay, let's see our pullback here for our entry. Okay, short-term trend broke. Let's check out this this longer-term trend. This would be a decent short entry if we weren't so bullish on the day. We're gonna be entering longs very soon. Possibly a view up. Unless this is the 514 sweep. I don't think so, though. I think we're headed right back up. Holding the long-term trend. Bullish, though. I'm still bullish. Might be our entry right here for longs. Looking for the VWAP bounce. But we're going to take it right now. We're long on 6 accounts, 1 contract. Looking to add another one if it comes back to VWAP. It should be all she wrote. Oh, we might be able to get our second con in. Might just have to do it now. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. Looking for that VWAP bounce. Add a second con. Doesn't look like she's gonna make it there though. Let's see. Okay, next little drop. There's VWAP. We just added a second con. With 6 accounts, so that's 12 cons. And now we sit tight. And we wait for our move to happen. First take profit is 59-ish. Second would be 67. Could possibly add a third on here. But let's see what happens. Only worry is it's holding the long-term trend, the long-term downtrend, but I don't think it's gonna hold. So we'll just sit tight. This might be a sweep of 514. If that does happen, then we'll add the third con. But right now we're just cooling 2 cons per account. Total of 12 cons, I guess. Yeah, that's the power of copy trading right there. 2 cons turns into 12 across 6 accounts. Could we have added another con? Yes, but We're practicing risk management. So we're not going to add a third con. We're going to wait for our play to play out patiently with our two cons. It's going to dick around for a while, but it's possible. But I think we are breaking the high. So these two cons could take us a long way. And we're not going to be stressed because, you know, we're not over leveraged. Which will help our mind stay focused and be able to stick to the plan without panicking. And also, since we only have two cons, we could potentially do the first take profit at 67 and then hold one runner. Potentially. Taking up old road. Keep on coming. Driving me insane. Come on, take me on a night train. Could possibly take this on trade day too, but nah, we're not going to. It's too many accounts, too many platforms. I'm trying to keep my accounts minimal because it's just too distracting. But since we just copy trade all of these, it's pretty nice. Especially when we wait patiently for nice plays. We got our strike dildo, let's go. Now just looking for a big run up. This potentially could be like an all-day hold type of scenario too, because we are just so bullish in the market right now that could potentially hold for quite some time, but I am expecting a decent pullback at some point today, which we did get in on the pullback, but this was just a minor one. It was what, 67 to almost 17, so that's 50 points. And that's a decent pullback, but it's not like a major one. Potentially add one more con so we could take profit on it at 59. This is a pullback. This would be a good entry to add, but nah, we're just gonna play it safe. The two cons. Listen to the night train. Yeah. You can listen to music right now. That'd be nice. I don't think I can. It's gonna mess up the video. It gets super loud on Discord. I mean, on the recording and in Discord. It's kind of working a double top right now, but I think it's cap. I think we're still bullish. But if it does break this 29 level, we might stop out and look to re-enter at 514. Look at that bearish volume. Jeez. Let's see if this wicks. If it doesn't, I might actually be wrong with my bull bias. But I think this is just a fake out. Could potentially add one more. But with a double top right here, it's a little sus because we might just range for a little bit. The bottom of the range being 29.30-ish. Let's see if this wants to dump on us, though. Very well could happen. I think this is just an accumulation of buyers for the next leg up, though. Does look like it'd be a good ad right here. The more this lingers here, the more I want to add one more. This makes sense that it's an accumulation of buyers, but let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. It should just rocket, but let's see. We could also be doing some scalps, but 6 accounts, scalping, it's going to be so hard. Here's the green dildo. This should be our next leg up. Hopefully we hit 59 with this next one. First, we got to blow past 47. Shouldn't be a problem, though. Just got to have the patience, because patience pays. Oh, yeah. Phoenix, you in these longs right now? Take that as a yes. Let's see if our play works. Trying to retest 29. Bearish engulfing. The candle wicked. 15-minute looking semi-bearish, but still confident in our play. I really would like to add one more. This play is getting a little bit sus. So if anything, we'll wait. This would be the time to add for this play. But we're gonna stick to it. We're just gonna stick to the two cons, just in case it doesn't work out. There's the double bottom. This would be the place to add. $15-minute looks bearish. 5 minutes looks like a pullback. Same with the 1 minute with the double top. As long as it holds this bottom right here at 30, I think we're still looking real good for a massive sweep up. Ole, 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 ole. Little cutie. Ole, ole, ole. We're about to break the 15-minute downtrend. Just need to pump it. So many accounts. Ole, ole, ole. Still did not break the downtrend on the 15-minute. But we're going for it. 7 minutes on that candle. It was weird. I just had like a thought to flip bearish, but I don't think that was my intuition. But let's see. See, we're wrong. I think we're still good. It's just accumulating buyers. A quick drop. Could add the third right here. Let's see though. It could break through. We might be bearish right now. Does it want to sweep that 514 is the question. We're breaking through. Holding. Let's see. Five minutes getting a lot of bearish engulfing candles. This would be the spot to add again. Are we going for the dump? Holding pretty nicely. This looks like a 15-minute retracement candle. Would have been a sick ad. But I'm trying not to do big cons right now. So if I add one, then I might start adding more, and then that spiral. We're just looking for solid executions right now. And for our play to work out. A little bit of practice from the week before. We took a lot of losses. Technically, I think we're still up on the week, but we did take quite a few losses last week. So now we're just rehoning our patience and our plans. Stick to the strategy, stick to the plan. That's what we're practicing right now. In real time. Actively thinking about it. Technically, this is a bull flag on the 5 minute. But I think the retracement was too much, actually, so maybe it's not a bull flag. Fuck. More candles that form, the more bearish it's getting. Is it short term? That's what I'm thinking. Long term, I believe we break the highs. Let's see, this is our cliff diagram. We got our one bullish candle. Stop loss is going to be 26, just in case. Ole, ole. Oh, about to hit our stop loss. Nope, didn't hit it. See if that was the liquidity sweep or a push up. The new leg. New 5 minute, 1 second. Get a big push up now. Bullish engulfing. And we should head towards our profit target. This slow descent is making me even more bullish, but we easily could be wrong. Easily. But I believe in the plan, so I'm gonna stick to the plan. What's ES doing? Yes, dicking around. Sitting inside a red FVG. A big move should be coming soon. Just hit bottom of the hour. Getting a curl up on the 1 minute. Technically, actually, that's not a curl. Just with a curl. There's a bull flag on the 15 minute. God, I want to add one more. But practicing willpower. I'm not going to add one more right now. Let's see if it holds this downtrend right here. I think we're about to Shrek dildo to the moon. Just kidding, it's gonna take probably a long time for it to moon. But it's been a while, so I mean this could be imminent actually. Chopped around for a hot minute. However, it is holding the short-term downtrend, so we need to see that break. It was a curl up, but that middle candle looked a little weird right there. This little one made it not a perfect curl. I keep thinking it looks bearish now. I don't want to get married to this position, but long term, I think we are bullish. How long term is the question. If it holds this downtrend, I guess we do just need to get out. Stop loss still at 26, just in case. 25, 26. Maybe going off a cliff right here. Hold the downtrend. Let's see. Testing the trend again. See it rip through. Fails here, and we're gonna be out for a small loss. Ole, 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 ole. Holding the downtrend. Might be time for shorts. 525 stop loss. So right at this line. Getting close to the stop. This is beginning to look a lot like a downtrend, but could also just be an accumulation of buyers for a blast off. And that's our stop loss right there. It's tapping it. Support. It might be out. Stop build. Shit. What was telling me to go short over there? Jeez. Subliminal messaging. It's telling me to go short. Stop filled. I wonder if that was a shitty stop loss position. If it technically should have been under 516. Could be looking at shorts now. I'm still bullish. Shame we got out right at the bottom. Should have had our stop a bit lower, but didn't want to risk it. We could flip short now, though. Or just re-enter longs. Could have been the liquidity sweep right there. Boom. Now we get the leg up. Or this is the short entry. I think we do take the shorts here. So let's see what happens. Ah, now it's gonna break out. Fuck me. Too tight of a stop. It's okay. We'll look for another play. Could join in on this pump. I think this is the pump we were waiting for. Fucking stopped out right at the bottom. Jesus. But we stuck to our plan, so it's okay. Look at the size of that green dildo. Go on without us. 15-minute downtrend still holding. We could actually go short, but man, is that bullish. Testing the trend on the 15 too. I think we look to re-enter longs again. I'm just so bullish on the day. But the 15-minute trend's holding, so we're not going to let that cloud us. One thing I'm thinking is with two cons, we should have had a bigger stop loss. What was that? 45 ticks. Oh, that's pretty good. Nah, just our entry was not very good, I guess. Look at this bearishness, though. Holding VWAP. Is this our long entry? I think it might be. For the breakouts. Same place we were in our last longs, Jesus. Big F you. I think I'd rather wait than go long or take shorts. But damn, was that bullish. And I'm bullish. But what was telling me to go shorts? Chart looks bearish still, technically. It's still holding the 15-minute downtrend. This could be a pullback before a blast. I'm bullish. Can't help it. Holding the 15-minute downtrend. 5-minute downtrend is technically broken. We wait with patience. Because patience pays. Ole, 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 ole. This is a real bull flag. If this starts curling, we're going back long. What is our take profit at? Okay. The downtrend looks real. See if it's gonna hold. Technically still holding on the 15. Now it looks like it's curling. So we might be going long. Oh. Let's see. Ole, 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 ole. This looks like a curl. God, I think we're gonna hit longs here. Downtrend's still holding on the 15 though. Semi-risk. This is like I think this is more bearish than bullish. So this is too high of a risk play for longs. Chart formation looks bearish. Daily it looks bullish. Shorts might be the move. Still holding that downtrend. On the 15. This is kind of just chop city though. Let's see what happens here with this trend line. If this trend line holds, that's a tight downtrend and we'll join that. This would be the entry for it. We'll join the downtrend. One con. We'll go to 2 if it taps the trend line again. Going 2 cons for the drop to 514. Holding the 15-minute trend still. But getting bullish by me. Watch our play work out now that we're in shorts. Ay, ay, ay. Charts all say downtrend though. But is this the end of it? Is the question. Could add a third here for the continuation. But let's wait. Because our bull play, it looks like it might play out. Breaking the 15-minute trend. Oh, Jesus. Well, we were saying it might go for the 514 sweep. So that is our new play. And then possibly come right back up. Break the highs. Ole, 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 ole. So this trend line is done for the 5 minutes. 15 minutes, still holding. Ole, 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 ole. Now the chart's finally looking bullish. Fuck. But this is so choppy that it should be breaking out to the upside. Let's see the 514 sweep. I believe. Sweep and then bullish. Could have one more for the 525 take profit. But let's add one more. See if we can get down to 525. Sell one, hold the rest for 514. Ole, 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 ole. We may have been wrong. I don't know. The chart looks bullish now. So it looks like 514 might not happen. We might actually have our long play out against us. But let's see. Above 538 would be the stop. $15-minute downtrend is broken. Could very well be the long play we're waiting for right now. Let's see if it double tops here. We're looking so bullish. Let's see if we get a nice pullback though. I mean, it's just channeling, so I mean, whatever. Does seem like the time to break out though. Broke this downtrend. Big bullish momentum. Pullback. Bullish momentum again. Could be a reverse play right here. Back to our original entry. So let's see if it wants to chop back down. If it chops back down, then I believe we are going to go to 14. But this might be the pullback before the fucking blast up here. Which is looking more and more likely. Could add one more here. Let's see if we reject this level. Holding the level. Let's get a rejection. This looks so bullish though. Fuck me. Reject. Right now. Shit. We are bullish. I think our play from earlier is going to work out without us. Testing 540. 41. Fuck yeah, it's pushing up. Next level would be 545. Let's see the rejection here though. May need to reverse for original play to work out. But let's see if the bears come in strong and just dump this shit. See, that's holding. Technically still just ranging. It looks like it wants to break out. But can it do it? The long play is looking good. I don't think I want to reverse though. I think maybe just exit. But this could still be a range. If we wanted to be risky, we could go heavy for the range play. But our entry is kind of the range. And this looks bullish, just like we planned earlier. Good news is 5 minute looks bearish. The wicks at least. Let's see what this next one does. Looks like we want to blast off. But it can't break this level, so let's hope for rejection. It's not really hoping, but it's like, yeah, is it gonna happen or not? I hate hope plays. Should be adding, really, but not trying to go too crazy. There's a pullback. Let's see if this just dumps off a cliff. This is really struggling to go higher. We have VWAP support right now, though. This isn't really doing too much overall, to be honest. It's really just the range. The bears are coming in hot, so this might actually be the start of a day downtrend. Why do I feel so bullish? Giant pump, big pullback. That's all she wrote. We're at all-time highs. Still bullish on the day, personally, yeah. But this trade could very well work out to 514. The bears are just coming in so strong. Shit, was this the pullback before the leg up? Oh. Still feeling kind of bearish right now. Bullish if we sweep this. I already tried to sweep it and it couldn't. Let's stick to the plan. Doesn't work out, we might just have to be done with this trend. This isn't even really a trend. This is just kind of like Chop City. A little difficult to trade. Bearish engulfing is a good sign. 30 seconds on this candle though. See if it wicks back up. There's technically no trends happening. Every trend gets broken and just chops around, so I think it's safe to assume we at least get down to 25. We'll probably sell one on this sweep, risking 42 now. Getting a nice dump. This is good bearish momentum. I wonder if we keep it and we dump off a cliff. Is this the pullback before the next leg up? Keeps on making higher lows. Are we continuing, and did we finally find a trend? Pullback. I mean, this is just Chop City. What the fuck are we actually supposed to do here? Might have to switch to scalps here, or just stop. This is getting kind of just too rangy. Like there's nothing really good happening. It's barely obeying levels. It's chopping. So I guess we do just look for the long play, or the long-term play we were doing before. Technically, this is a downward channel. Could draw a channel. Do we have the tools for it? Go like that. Something like this. This would be our downward channel. So they look right. in 5 minutes, so let's do something a little tighter. Literally just like a little channel. I've never done this before, so I don't even know if that's right. Just flirting with our entry right now. Why does it feel like this wants to just missile bear full flag on the 1 minute? Yeah, yeah, stop loss sucks. The stop loss sucked earlier. I know. Unfortunate. I'm still feeling the long plays is the problem, but I think this trade will at least go to 525, so we'll unload quite a bit there, unless we get some real momentum. But this is just choppy as can be. Still feeling bullish, and it's the bear flag is actually executing, or the bull flag, I mean. Baby, can you check what time it is in New York right now? With my clock? This is starting an uptrend. It's 5:11 a.m. Okay. So this is like reversal o'clock. Shit. All right, so now we're looking for this uptrend to break. If that breaks, then we should dump off a cliff. But if it doesn't, we might just exit and just sit tight because this is just choppy. Could add some for the range play. This looks like it's getting close to breakout breakout mode. Bum 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 bum. Here's a retest of the highs. See if the shit breaks out. We're gonna add at the top of this channel right here, right now. We'll add one. Looks like our long play is actually gonna execute though. Let's see if it holds. Rejection, good. Come on, keep rejecting. I really think our long play is gonna execute right now though. Fucked up because we're in shorts. Not enough patience. Hitting the top of this level. See if it's gonna stick to ranging. Giant fucking bullish engulfing dildo. I think this might be the fucking the breakout for the highs that we waited for before. Let's see a nice rejection. Hitting a key level right here. get a nice rejection. I wouldn't mind adding one more for the break of 47 for stop loss. This is really going against the trend and our plan from earlier. However, it has been ranging, so it could very well just come right back down. Ooh, there's the pump. Could add one more right here for the rejection of 47. Another key level. There's a rejection. Let's see if it dumps, or if we're gonna continue our bull run. A bigger rejection than that. So it tested 47, rejected. Let's see if this is a pullback before another pump, or if we're going to sweep that 514 and then go up like we originally planned for our shorts. And now we're 6 cons deep in 6 accounts. Jeez, that's a lot of cons. Was that 36 cons? Ooh. It's a good reject. This is a good pullback. Do we flip long? Dun, dun, dun. We are bullish. I don't know. We'll see. Morning travel, Jacob. When is it going to be damn good, Jacob? And damn good, Phoenix, is the question. This was a nice pullback, but it looks like it might just be a pullback. Let's get some more bearish momentum here. This could easily just boom right back up. Look at this. Hitting support at 38. Nice. Yeah, I wish we had a little more patience with those longs. We knew this was our first take profit. Needed to have a bigger aha. I said, when is it going to be travel, Jacob? Damn good travel, Jacob. Damn good, Phoenix. I mean, look at this bearish engulfing. We have 2 minutes left on this candle, but we could very well sweep this 514. We could de-risk because we're in so deep. But I think we have a full-blown downtrend here forming. Look at how bearish this was. The giant fucking engulfing bullish candle just to get bearish engulfed. Like, this could easily keep dumping off a cliff. Oh, but we only have one more. We still have a minute, 30 seconds left. This could just wick us up. Yeah, I know this has been boring as shit, and we got stopped out on our longs. This was our profit target. We got chopped out. Originally, I was bullish, but I'm looking for this 514 sweep before we actually get back to being bullish. Yeah. I'm just pretty convinced that this is going to work out pretty nicely, so I do not want to sell at break even. But yeah, you're right, de-risking is not a bad idea. Ever. Yes, had 1, 2, 3. 3 taps. Could mean all the liquidity is out of there and we blast through it though. 15 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens here next. I think we break lower. 2 seconds. Dum dum dee dum 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 dee dum dum. Geez, $1,600. Good shit, Phoenix. Good night, man. Gonna sleep nice. $1,600 richer. Yes, sir. Let's see if it works. It's gonna have to work in the next, like, probably these next 2 minutes. We just engulf this, break through, and then we head down. Otherwise, we're looking for a slow grind back up. Bum bum beat up, bum beat up, bum. We might be looking at a nice dump here. Just needs to break basically our entry. Yeah, definitely. This pump up, the reject of 47 was really good for us. Looks like we might continue our downtrend. It's tapping our uptrend. Boom. Breaking the uptrend, broke through. Getting a nice dump right here. Tapping VWAP. Might sell one at 30 here. Start de-risking a little bit. Sell another one at 26 possibly. But let's see if this momentum continues, because we could just make our day right here. As long as this continues. But it's holding a tight downtrend, so that's exactly what we want to see. Okay, there's way too many lines here. That's broken. Boom. Let's hold this tight downtrend, and we might actually be looking real good on this play. It looks like it cannot push any higher. Still, if it sweeps by 14, very well could curl up. And the reason I think that is because we had such a bullish day through Asia. London has been a little bit bearish, but also it's just like a bullish daily chart. So I think at some point today we are breaking these highs. It might not be during London. We might just go down all of London and blast through in New York. But at some point I'm expecting at least a touch of the highs. This is looking like a full-blown downtrend now. Bearish engulfing out the ass. But it's been ranging this whole time, so I'm wondering if it just ranges slowly up. Higher lows right here. And then we actually break that top. We gotta see what happens here in the next few minutes. If it breaks our downtrend here, then we might as well just get out. Hasn't been trending all day, so these trend lines might be fucking useless. Yeah, I mean this is a hard thing to enter because there's no trends happening, right? The only trend that we see right here long term is higher lows, right, which is bullish. And then short term we have this little mini trend which could break right now. This isn't really consolidation. Like this was consolidation. This is the start of a downtrend potentially. Consolidation is going sideways. This was upward. I guess upward consolidation you could call. I forget what the name it is. I think you just call it higher lows. But it looks like this might be the start of a downtrend. So every 3 candles just keep getting engulfed, but it needs to break this level right here, and then we might have a full-blown downtrend on our hands. Needs to break this level now, otherwise our downtrend is not real. We could de-risk here, but I think that I think we'll wait for the late exit if the downtrend breaks. Still holding the downtrend very nicely. This candle will tell us everything. 15-minute bearish engulfing. I think, let's see what happens. Let's fucking smack this level. It's holding. Breakthrough no. I said right no. It's holding somewhat nicely, so we might actually de-risk right here. Yeah, we'll sell one. Just in case this level holds. If this level holds, then we have higher highs, and this is bullish. And we might be going to retest those highs. The highs of the day. 6 a.m. So that was still Asia. Look at those fucking sellers coming in hot. Looks like we might fucking curl up. But we dojied on the 5-minute, so easily could hold our trend. Let's see. Yo. Kind of looking like a little bit of a curl, but I think it might just dump. 1-minute trend broken. The doji on the 1-minute. Pairs are looking weak. Am I lagging right now? Shit, this might be the 5-minute curl up. Possibly a good idea to de-risk a little more. But if this dumps, it's gonna dump. I want to be in for the ride. Consolidating right now. Trying to look more bullish. Curl up or just get denied. Might be the push back up. Nice little rejection of this level. Still holding so hard on 32. It's holding the higher lows. This is looking bullish. I think do we reverse or just close? Or is it gonna reject right here and dump off a cliff? Hit 38. This would be not a bad long entry for the higher lows push up. I'm just nervous it's gonna dump off a fucking cliff. There's the next 5 minute. Should be bearish engulfing to break through a new level if we're bearish. The doji, got the wick. Hamina. There we go. There's our fucking dump. Now just needs to break this 530 level. And now I'm gonna go to the bathroom, so I will be back. I'm gonna leave my mic here so nobody hears me peeing. So we took out our higher lows with that little dump right there. So now we're bearish, full blown. How low are we gonna go? Because I'm still bullish on the day. $5.18 is the low right here. 519-ish. We should just be able to ride this downtrend for a while. We're gonna ride it. We're gonna ride it. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. 6 accounts, 5 cons each. What is that? 30 cons total? 30 lots. The only problem we have is we didn't buy more. Okay. the support, but once we range, shit. No, I think we have a fucking full-blown downtrend, and we're gonna break these lows right here. We will take profits or sell some, probably around this 519 level on the way down. Not when it hits, because there should be a big lick sweep when it hits. I don't know about that high, but the 5-minute omni trend finally turned red too. If this turns green, then we'll be looking to potentially exit. But as long as this omni trend is red, we're gonna keep riding this trend, and we're gonna extract as much profits from the market as possible. Is it gonna range is the question. It does not look like it. It's a pretty nice downtrend right here. Sharp drops, followed by little pumps up. But this market has been weird lately. That means it was just getting ready for a big dump, and I think we're in on this dump. Let's go. On a 50 account, what should my risk be at? You mean like contract size? Oh, stop loss? What are you in at? And you're short or what? $200? I would go by ticks. So like a 40-50 tick stop loss wouldn't be bad. Cause like this whole move right here, like 40 ticks on like 2 contracts, that's like a pretty safe stop loss. You know what I mean? Like it'll stop you out if it's not in a trend. At least in London. In New York, it'll just wick you out fucking randomly. But in London, like a 40 tick stop loss is pretty good, I'd say. Going by money for stop losses can be a little hard because you want to look at the charts, not at your P&L, right? Technically this is holding the downtrend very nicely right now. So like somewhere around here would be an entry for shorts if we are going to keep dumping. Which we're in it for to sell one right here at 23, and then the rest probably towards 19. This does look like a full-blown downtrend, so yeah, like little pumps up like this or when you want to enter for a trend ride. But also it's been ranging for the past 13 to past almost 3 hours. So it very well could continue the range. This, I guess you would call consolidation right here. That's actually a pretty good entry. Because if it breaks past your entry, then the short play is basically invalidated. Because the trend would be broken. And then we could just range like it's been doing. Super lame. But this momentum right here tells me that we should be starting a downtrend here. But look at this bullish momentum too. I was super bullish earlier. I'm still bullish on the day, but I think we do have a nice little downtrend, even though it's broken. This could just be a sweep, liquidate everyone's stop loss, and then come back down. Could be a full-blown dildo. Look at this shit. Looking to ride the trend. Next, it could sweep our entry here. If it does that and it doesn't come back down, then we're looking to keep moving higher. Choppy ass market. This could also just be the impulse move up before continuing the downtrend. Yeah, I mean this like you can't really read this is the problem. This is just chop, right? It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. But what we're going for is a break of this chop, which could take hours to happen. We could literally just do this for a few hours and then massive move up, massive move down. But this is just like, yeah, welcome to trading. There's not always going to be a read. Like generally, you probably wouldn't even want to trade this because it's just a shit show. It's just chop, boom, 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 and it's fairly big chop. So I guess what you'd want to do is be scalping, which we could have taken our $1,000 profit right there, but we were hoping for a breakdown, and now we're at break even. It's looking like it wants to keep chopping, possibly up, but also it could chop right back down to this level. It's sweeping this right now. So if this doesn't reject, then we could be even breaking this 47 up here. So stop loss above like around 40 would be pretty good. Look at the size of these green dildos. Got really bullish really quick. I still think we're going to come down quite a bit though. But this is saying that it wants to at least retest 47. And that would be the 4th time today. We're looking for a big rejection here to come down hard. This level would be an add if you wanted to go harder on shorts. Yeah, this is just a classic fucking consolidation channel. So I guess your question earlier is this consolidation? I guess it is on the 5-minute and 15 consolidation here. Look at this pullback is just getting eaten up. We need to see big bearish momentum or we're actually breaking or going towards 47. We break that, could break highs. More likely that we range though. This is a key level, so we could dump here. Boom, come back up. Yeah. Yeah, this is just straight chop. What I'm expecting is a big dump though, because we can't push higher. We tried 3 times. Might test it again and then dump is the only problem here. See if it breaks this level, we might have to get out. But it's holding pretty nicely. Technically a bull flag right now. 5-minute. If it holds this like area right here. Another 5-minute right there. A little more sideways, possibly a little bit down. That'd be a full-blown bull flag. This is like, this is a good add for sure. Like good level to add if we're in a downtrend. But we could be going back to 47 is the only issue. But as of right now, I am bearish, so I think that is a good add. I almost added my 6th back, but I'm comfortable with 5 across 6 accounts, so I'm 30 cons right now. If this consolidates right here though, like doesn't break any lower than this, and this is a bull flag, and that means we could be going higher. But I'm bearish. Let's see the dump. By the way, Jacob, I'm going to be making a masterclass video describing how the market moves, how to do these levels, and basically that's it, yeah, because that's like the most important. You will have access to that video with your Capo membership. We got a nice little dump right there. Still bearish, but it's more. You didn't pick up the second. That's good. That's okay. I think we are headed down lower. But if you did pick up that second con, then this might even be a good take profit because this has been so rangy. I'm gonna hold personally, but like to keep risk low, practice risk management, which is something you want to do, especially since you're just starting out. You want to keep your risk low, but you also want your winners to run, right? So if you did pick up that second con, what you'd want to do is probably sell right here because your average would probably be 36-ish, and then you would sell one con and let the second one run. You know what I mean? Let one run. Uh, yeah, I mean, if this ranges, I'm holding for the trend because look at this bearishness. Like, I mean, it's big drops followed by little pumps up. This was an impulse move up. Couldn't break this level. Big drops again. So I'm expecting long term a move down now. It's like 519, 514. If we break 519, we might even go to 500-ish. But for the range play, this, yeah, it could be a good idea just to take profit, sell again up there, take profit, down, rinse and repeat. It's just been ranging for so long that it very well could keep ranging. But I'm writing the trend. Oh yeah. Yeah, we've topped the hour in 2 minutes. Could cause some volatility. Hoping it pushes us down. I really think it will. Keeps rejecting this level. Top of the hour could bring in some volume. We could sweep this. We want to make like $4,000 would be cool. Like top step combines. A long way to go. Here's top of the hour in 10 seconds. Look for a push down. Look at this range. Jesus. Could easily break out to the upside. It's getting bullish over here. Let's engulf this shit. Let's get a fat dump in here. Even if it hits 519, might still be stuck in the range, but that's all we need, so it's okay. We're risking 35, 40 ticks roughly for almost double. So our risk reward is 1-2 right now. Crypto is just dumping off a cliff, dude. I'm so glad I sold all my bonk. I'd be down like 3 G's right now. Does this just want to go on a massive bull run? Because that's what I was thinking like the whole day, dude. It's just gonna It's this huge consolidation. Asia low is 477. Hold on that shit, the crypto. Nah, I sold mine like a little bit of profit. I was in bonk though, like the meme coins just dropped so fast. I had like 10 G's in there. And and if I was still holding it, I'd be down like 3 already. But I mean, right now is probably a pretty good entry for crypto. So I might put my money back in there. But also, I'm just not too big on holding anything really because I check it too often. It's just kind of annoying. But it is a good investment. I don't know if I'd go back in Bonk. I'd probably go back in AVAX. AVAX was always good to me. It's one of my favorite coins. Bonk is just a shit show. But Solana is growing pretty hard, and it's Bonk Solana. Yeah, AVAX is the shit, dude. Hell yeah, Jacob. Solana is rapidly growing though. So Bonk could go fucking nuts. It's like a fucking meme coin. Like Shiba Inu, I made like 17K on or some shit. And they had to stop its trading because fucking there's just a retail frenzy. If that happens on Bonk this early, it's only at like, well, I guess it's kind of close to 1 billion market cap. But I mean Shiba Inu is at what, like 10 billion? So it'd be a 10x if a retail frenzy happened with Bonk. It looks like we are gonna dump here somewhat soon. This is not a bear flag because of this wick, I believe. Actually, maybe bear flags go off the body, huh? This could be a bear flag, but I think it's more likely we dump. I mean, a bull flag. This kind of does actually look like a bull flag right here. You might be in for a pump, bud. Hopefully it rejects right here. We just fucking head right back down. Sort of want to add, but damn, does this look bullish. Damn, dude, you fucking doubled your money on AVAX? Nice. Yeah, if this breaks out any higher, then there's a good chance we're gonna retest 47. A really good chance. Mm. This would be an ad for the short though. Rejecting again. Could dump off a fucking cliff. Yeah, exactly. My boy's already picking up on it. And then remember, if it breaks above this, then you just get out completely. Or you could hold for the 40-50 tick, because this would be the next resistance. But I think we should be heading down. Look at this pullback. We might be going higher. See if it breaks this. Retesting. I'm going to add one more for the fake sweep. But any higher and we're out. Or I'm out, at least. You could hold for the 40 ticks if you like. Next level's 41. Above 41 and I'm gone. It's looking bullish, but that could change very fucking quick. Look at this slow crawl up. This could be boom, dump. That's a good stop loss. It's above this high. it's gonna tend to sweep, right? It's 49, 50. I would almost say like 550, 50, because it might tap 550. You know what I mean? It's psychological level. It's like a round number, 550. It looks like it wants to dump off a cliff. Yeah, it did get a little bit bullish. But I mean, look at this. It's getting slapped down so hard that one of these, at some point, we should just start breaking through levels. A little pullback. The pump up. Might want 47 again. $47 at two cons. E. Let's just hope it doesn't get up there, because I'm gonna be getting out if it does as well. Really, really, if it breaks any higher than this wick right here, because it's this level, right, that it's rejecting, just somewhat of a weak level, but it keeps rejecting it. So if it breaks above there, then we're definitely going to 47, and I'll probably just get out like somewhere right there. We might be out of this. But it needs to hold above. Yeah, there it is. That's rejecting this level over here, 43. Let's see, let's see. Big reject. This could be the lick sweep before the cliff dive. Or this is just pure bullishness and we're going back to the highs like we thought earlier. Had to pull out, yeah, that's all good. I'll probably be getting out here too if this continues. Just so fucking slow. Slowly going up that I'm expecting a little. this is gonna dump, it should be pretty vicious. This needs to continue now that we had the pullback. Otherwise, yeah, it might just be headed up. I want to add more, but I'm trying not to over leverage too much. And this is a little bit bullish. Look at this volume though. The volume is picking up pretty nicely. On both ends though. A safe short would be like 47. But if this keeps staying this bullish, then it might. I still think we're gonna dump off a cliff personally, but also been bullish on the day, so let's see what happens. 967. Slow crawl up. Getting a lot of bullish momentum. What the fuck is going on? Is it the lick sweep before a dump? Now we might be looking fucking. Ooh. Super bearish or super bullish. Yeah, we're gonna leverage fucking hard here for the rejection off 47. We'll go 10 cons across 6 accounts. Rejection off 47. Come on. Trying to get some of that volume towards the sell side. The trend is bullish, yeah. This is a key level though. It's been ranging all day, so I'm gonna go heavy for the trend or the range play. And I still think it's gonna dump off a cliff, but let's see. Didn't actually mean to stick around for that, but we should be good. Yeah, I mean it's been bullish. We do think it's gonna hit the highs, but I think we want to sweep the lows because it's been ranging so much. I still want to see it sweep like 519 and then go back up, break the highs. I'm going to talk about it in the video I'm going to make. The market loves chasing liquidity. There's still a bunch of liquidity sitting down there. We have 60 lots right now, Jesus. Where's our dump? This is a full-blown uptrend, though. Just a little one. On a bullish day. But I think we're gonna range. Easily could just fucking blow up though. I'm going a fucking full-blown bull run to 559-ish. Fourth time it's rejecting this level. So it might have eaten all the liquidity right there, and shit, it could blast through. We could de-risk. Fuck. This is looking super bullish. Fuck me. Stick to the short range play. Is more likely. This bullish momentum has not been looking good. Let's see the dump. Ooh, Jacob fading me. Big rip to me. But I do sort of like the longs, just because we tested this so many times. Which me, oh yeah. So what do you mean you're the? I mean, dude, honestly, I prefer to be in longs because I'm bullish, but also I think it might just range. If it goes down to 530 even, we're looking pretty good on the day. You're looking at 2Gs. It's really could just blast off right here though, which is what I'm worried about. There's a little double top right there. Reject this shit. Oh man, this looks like it wants to fucking take off, dude. Your longs might be Gucci. But if this doesn't break through, then this should fucking dump pretty nicely for me. But golly, does it want to break through? I'm in a shitty spot right now if this fucking blows up. Been ranging for 3 hours. What's another 1 hour of ranging? Come on, man. Ay, so bullish though. Here's the next 5 minute coming up here. This should tell us if we're gonna blast through or not. The wicks on these make it look like the bears are semi-weak. I mean the bulls are semi-weak. But it could just do that for an hour. Straight up. Okay, here's the next 5 minute. Give me my fucking clip dive. The thing we have going for us is it's tested this 4 times. So now that if it rejects this, then we should be able to break down lower. Sweep up that liquidity, come right back up. But this needs to actually reject. This is just kind of consolidation. Could be accumulating buyers for the fucking giant push up, unfortunately. Going for the range play though. And these wicks say that we want to range at least a little bit more. You know what's funny though? I was saying that I don't want to go that heavy, and now I'm 10 lots deep. Happens all the time. But in a market like this, it's so fucking hard to make real money with fucking 2-3 cons. Back at break even. Looking for the breakdown. Yes, we should get our nice dump right here. Push it lower. That could have been a liquidity sweep for the longs. Fuck, maybe we can still blast off here. I need to take a leak too. This is just like not the right time for it. Blast down so I can pick up a second con for longs. I mean, I'm expecting the range play. But also, if you take a losing trade and you exit it and you take the loss, don't think about, oh, I need to make that money back. Oh, my next trade needs to make this money back. You know what I mean? Because that makes you do, it's just not a good mindset to have. It makes you like blinded by kind of like rage, sadness type of deal. And it makes you jump into something too fast. Yeah, it could turn into revenge trading very quickly. Could be the pullback for the blast up. I have more faith in the range play. I feel like I've said range play like 50 times now. Next 5 minutes coming too, and it's wicking up. Bullish. Ooh, this could be a bull hammer. Uh-oh. I might be in some deep shit and you might be looking good. You might be breaking out of the range. Ah, shit, yeah, this 5 minutes gonna close with a bull hammer. Wait, Chihuahuas, this could fucking missile right now. I might be fucked. This rejects again, though. It's got to come down. I'll add one more. See if it rejects. But I think it's blasting through the roof. Good. Rejection. Nice. We might, we gotta see what happens here, but fuck me, we might actually get a fucking big play to the downside. Let's fucking go. Fucking dump it. It's a third fucking test. Golly, this thing could just rip up. Ate all the liquidity there, swept it. I want to see a break below here or else I'm fucking nervous. Oh my god, this could rip up so fucking fast. Oh shit. Range play, range play, range play. Look at these candles, man. It looks like they just want to put a giant Shrek dildo in there. Or a giant red dildo. Just preferred. It's plays like this that get me nervous. 3 taps to the top, ate up all the liquidity. Fucking. Sketchy. Sketchy as fuck. Keeps on trying to push, but it can't do it. So it's making me somewhat more confident that we're gonna have a big ass dump. Fucking hold the line. Love isn't always on time. Damn, damn, damn. Fucking dump it. I think there's a higher chance it blasts through though than a dump. Look at this, accumulating buyers. Oh my god. This is a sign of a cliff dive though. It lingers around that much, but it tested it 3 times, so the cliff dive is less likely. Oh yeah, there's definitely more buyers than sellers right now. Those sellers could come in so fucking hard, which is what I'm waiting for. It's rejecting so many times that it has to blast through super hard, or it's gonna reject fucking very nicely. Definitely more likely that we blast through though with all these liquidity sweeps right here. This is the 4th one. Much more likely. But the cliff dive is also looking pretty sweet right now. Problem is it might want to lick sweep fucking a little bit higher, which could put us out of business because I don't want to lose that much. 49.50-ish. $100. $100 is $100. Let's see the fucking dump. I mean, this is a cliff dive setup, but also a fucking Mongo fucking run setup. Yeah. Okay, taking what you can is always a good idea, but I like just to make like 1 or 2 really solid trades. Look at this. This is gonna fucking run, isn't it? Range me down, baby. Could add 1 more for the dump. Yep, we'll add 1 more for the fucking dump. Look at this. The slow grind up. Holy fuck. And clip dive. The way I see it, slow grinds up are usually eaten up by a giant clip dive. There's a lick sweep. We'll add 1 more. Broke past 550. Holding. We need a rejection right here or else we're literally smoked. Right at 550. Psychological level. Ah, I pushed through. Oh shit, I think I just lost my top step combines. Fuck me. Let's get the dump. This looks like it might slow crawl up. 3,300 is the DLL for these. It's not looking like I'm gonna make it. Oh, I'm liquidated. Fuck me, that's a loss. Whoosh. Man, our long play from earlier was the move. It's okay, it's okay. I was expecting the dump and the range play. This is the play that we were waiting for earlier, and then we switched short. Flip-flop too much. It's okay. I'm still in like a weird trading state right now. Been taking a lot of L's. No, I'm still gonna play. I still have my trade day account and stuff. But it looks like it does want the highs. Tapped out the lick 3 times. Boom, this is the big push up, which was more likely. We went for the probably 30% chance of dump, you know what I mean? And it didn't work out. I have a hard time exiting positions once I'm in. I like to wait for the entire move to play out. And that goes against me sometimes, but it's also how I made like $90,000 in like a few months. So days like this will happen. I will lose. But my profits are much bigger than my losses. So that's all that matters. And because my profits are bigger than my losses, I'm going to keep doing it because it works for me. But unfortunately, we did not stick to our main plan because our main plan was to wait for this move. Instead, we flipped short and it went against us. Very unfortunate, but part of the game. Part of the game. This is a key level for shorts too, right here. It's because it hit this key level right here, right? 554. See how it tapped multiple times? So it's just tapping it 1 more time, getting resistance. Maybe this is the cliff dive I was waiting for. But more likely, it's going to go for at least 59 at least, possibly 67. Those are higher probability than it dumping off a cliff right now. And what's yeah, I'm gonna take a break here soon too. I'm not gonna get it in another trade for probably long right now. Fucking might work out, bud. We have New York in about 3 hours. I might take a break and trade New York. Your support level is 47. So it might sweep 47 and then go back up. But for the pullback, yeah, you're looking at it like that. Rip to our take profit accounts. That is our daily loss limit. We also hit that on Friday. No, this is our max loss on take profit, because we almost hit our we did hit our daily loss. Our max loss was trailing, so yeah, we got rolled on take profits. I don't really like them anyways, and I only want to have TopStep accounts. So TopStep and Trade Day. Trade Day is gonna be like my swing account. So I'm done trying other prop firms. TopStep has paid me a lot of money. I'm gonna stick with them and possibly Trade Day. Their evaluation is 10 fucking days, so could take a while to get that account. But once I have that account, it'll be nice. And then TopStep, we are going to go crazy with. TopStep is probably one of the best firms out there. Just from a rule perspective, price perspective is good too. And I mean, they actually pay out. Like there's other companies that will close your accounts, like what happened with Yugo. And yeah, TopStep is just reliable and affordable, and they pay out, which is the main thing, right? If you're gonna make some money, you wanna actually get it, right? You don't want to just trade the whole time and fucking not get a payout. This would be a long entry right here for a curl. Boom, last up to 59-ish. Yes. Funded is one of the hardest parts. And then getting the payout once you're funded is another hard part. Fucking unfortunate. We could have took our 1K profit, but we're looking for a big move on a day that isn't giving big moves. Silly. Silly mistake. But it is what it is. It's doing exactly what we were saying in the morning. Just took too long. Didn't have enough patience, so we didn't get paid. Did not have enough patience. But we did have more patience than last week, so it's a step forward. LFG. But yes, I think we're done for now. We're gonna chill. That was too annoying. Ugh. Took fat L's. Blew take profits. Didn't blow TopStep, but we blew take profits. So we are going to take a nice break. Come back. Yeah, I'm getting off. We're going to take a break for a few hours. Come back. Trade New York. And hopefully make some money, make some good trades, look for nice setups, be patient, and execute properly. Look at that slow grind up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 40, 45 minutes just to blast. Yeah, this is a classic setup. 1 lick sweep, 2 lick sweep, 3 sweep higher. The fourth one was the nail in the coffin. That fourth one, it's like it's gonna fucking rip, and it did. And we sat there and ate it. Couldn't get the loss. Oh well. Try to be better later today. But for now, we out. Peace.